Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Thursday, May 28th today. We've got some fun stuff happening. Everybody's all excited for 8th grade graduation tonight. Drive-in style. It should be fun. Hi, Mrs. Freitas. Good morning. Morning, Charles. Morning, boys. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Scarlett. Hey, we have a short, quick, just a challenge for you this morning for morning assembly. So I want to jump into this. Oh my goodness, I lost my flag. What am I doing? Losing my mind. All right, I don't see it handy, so we'll go ahead and skip the Pledge of Allegiance today, which is going to make our morning assembly even more short and sweet. So our virtue this week is excellence. One quick thing before we jump into that. I do want to remind you about our drive-through party tomorrow morning. It's from 9 to 11. We've got literally something for everybody in the whole family. Parents, we've got something for you. Kids, we've got some fun stuff. We've got the dunk tank ready to go. It's going to be awesome. So make sure you come out, drive through. You're going to want to enter on the CVS side of the parking lot. I almost pointed as if you can tell which direction that would be from where I'm sitting. But you'll enter on the CVS side of the parking lot, and then you're going to drive through that loop. Like go through the gate, drive through the loop all the way behind the school, and then you're going to come out the other side and then exit back onto East Avenue. It's going to be awesome. We can't wait to see all of you. Please make sure you come out and say hi to us. And let's talk about excellence for this morning. Then I want to give you my really quick challenge for today. So, excellence, here's the definition. It's doing your best. It's giving your best effort to any task you do or any relationship you have. Excellence is effort guided by a noble purpose. It's a desire for perfection. So we've been talking about excellence this week. We've given you some examples. We've talked about excellence other times in the year too. I just want to give you this challenge today. Do something excellent. But I purposely didn't write a whole bunch of notes because I want you to just go for this, and I need you to think about all the different things we've talked about. I mean, I wanted to sit here and write all these different ideas down for you about things that we've talked about and strategies. I want you to reflect on those today. Think about strategies that have worked for you and pick one thing that you need to be excellent at today. Try it a few times, make some mistakes, and do it till you get it right. That's my challenge for you. Once again, 8th